Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna unbox the PlayStation 5. It looks like one of the seal has been tampered. Anyways, let's unbox it. The first thing that we see is the power cable, and then we have a user manual and other documentation, and then we have the DualSense controller. Controller is nice, heavy with solid build quality. This is the stand, which is of nice quality. Next we have the HDMI cable. We then have a USB to Type-C cable to charge the controller. Now it's time to unwrap the main unit, which is the console itself.
3, 2, 1! Whoa!
There's a scratch on the console. I don't know if you can see that, but that's okay. So that's all for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed.
Game over.